Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork panko. First, you'll want to gather all your necessary ingredients. This includes a bag of plain pork rinds and any seasonings you wish to add, like garlic powder or paprika. Make sure your food processor is clean and ready. Measure about 4 ounces of pork rinds for a good starting batch. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, carefully transfer the measured pork rinds into your food processor. Secure the lid tightly. Begin pulsing the processor in short bursts. Continue this until the pork rinds transform into a fine, breadcrumb-like texture. It's important not to overprocess them, as this can turn them into a paste instead of a light, airy panko. Aim for consistency. Once your pork panko has reached the perfect texture, it's time to add your favorite seasonings. You might consider a pinch of salt, some black pepper, or even a dash of onion powder. Gently mix everything together until the seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the panko. For optimal freshness, store your homemade pork panko in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It will last for several weeks. Now that you've made your own pork panko, you can use it in countless ways. It's an excellent low-carb alternative to traditional breadcrumbs for breading chicken, fish, or even vegetables. Simply coat your food and cook as usual. You can also use it as a binder in meatballs or meatloaf. Get creative and experiment with different recipes to enjoy this versatile ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.